Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I'm AJ. I want to give you a recap webinar of what we did today in our great, fantastic room, incredible room that we have today. Great leaders in here. Janny Moore, first thing in this morning, was all over everything, getting us prepared. Darkside was getting ready for all his Discord members in his Discord room, along with Janny as well. In the room itself, we were trading, we were setting up. I did feel very strongly that the Dow would probably kind of pop a little bit, pull down, and then just kind of grind out and head to the upside today on it. So we did play a lot of moves to the upside versus just a straight short. We did need a pullback because we did have the market gapping up. We went after the coronavirus trades today on the short side. APDN, BMI, Codex, and KPTI was a phase 2 study on an Expivio. JD was earnings, so we had this going to $43 before we would see anything fade. And it did fade a little bit, but went right back up to 44. It's fading nice for the traders in the room. Brandy's on that trade. RGEN was the stock. Zoom obviously was in play. Coronavirus, it's a coronavirus play. We had this going to 112 today after the initial pullback of 105. Currently, stock is trading at 112.79. The video was a wonderful trade. Apple, Tesla, TDD, DYA was another coronavirus short that we were into, and the test was a game trade, a game stock. So let's just kind of go through a few of them that we did today. I'll start with the small caps. I want to give a shout out to Jay this morning. Jay knew exactly what to. I had 3 stocks for him today, and Jay's one of our top short sellers. And also Thomas R made around $5,266 today trading Codex, APT, and NVIDIA on calls. And Thomas did good as well. And here is the APDM short at 580 with 4,000 shares, made $1,600. So congratulations, Jay, on that call, on that trade. Hold on one second. I will be trading a little bit while I am talking to you during the webinar. So you might hear me stop a couple times. So let me scalp a move here on test. All right, there it goes. There it goes. I'm going to just scalp it. It's pushing. It's pushing. Very good. There it goes. There it goes. Nice little scalp. Nice little scalp. Good. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Yep. 720s. There it goes. There's my green. There it goes. There's 55s. It's opening up. There's 68s. There we go. There we go. Hold on. Almost there. There we go. There we go. It wants it. The spreads just keep opening up. I have to wait. They keep trying to push it to 727. Hold on. I'm almost there. Just let it push. There's 50s. There it goes. 60s. Let's go. A little bit more push. 70s. There it goes. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm going to take it right there. Got it. Okay, so I got that. Oh, there's the 727. So you see this short I was trying to do live in front of you? You see this? This is a $1.50 trade right here. You see that? I got out a little too soon because I'm on the mic. But you see it? This is what I play. I see this move coming. I'll go long at 726.67, and then it just pops, and that's a 2-point pop. You see how nicely done that is? That's the trade. This is why I will stop in the middle of a webinar. I might do it again on a scalp because it looks like it's got the momentum. So hold on. There's 29s, there's 28s, there's 70s. Now I wait for the pullback. This is what I do now. I'll wait for that pullback. I'll go ahead and scalp it right here, and then I'll pop it real quick right there. You see it? There it goes. Nice little pop. It's a little bit slow. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. And I'll sell it right there. Okay, I just made $60 right here. This is $60 trade. Okay, $60 for me because I sell too soon. But if you're in the room, this is a 2-point trade, almost a point and a half. So what I do is I wait for a pullback right around here, and then I sell it right in here for 60 cents. And I play with 100 shares. So I did 2 trades for almost $200 right in front of you. Okay, so I might stop again. All right, I might have to stop again to make another trade if I see it setting up. Okay, this is what I do. Okay. Boeing's making a move. I've done Boeing very, very well after I understood it. I got it, how it was trading today. Now Tesla's going to pop again. You see this right here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up for a little bit of a push. I'm going to wait for a pullback, and then I'm going to nail it right here. See those 55s? Now I'm up, right? There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. There I'm up. I'll take it. So on that one, I only made $16. Okay? Okay? On that one, I made $16. But it's okay. I'm not losing any money. All right? I'm not losing anything. Okay, Apple's making a move, and so is TDD. So what I can do now, I can go long. See this TDD right here? I can do 100, pull 100, and then pop at 81.50, and that's money. Here's another one too. I can do Apple. If Apple continues to, there's a 290. Okay, this is a big hold here. I don't want a long Apple unless I get a 292 push. So I'm going to sit tight and wait for another surge into close. Okay, so let's go back to what I was talking about. Okay, TDD, we had this one. I'm sorry. NVIDIA's pushing. Oh, I love trading in front of you live. This is just beautiful. Okay, NVIDIA, where's NVIDIA? So what I'll do is I'll get set up for, see this push here? See how it's pushing? If we get a surge into close, which the Dow's up 820, we could get a nice push to 274 and top at 276. So I'm going to be eyeballing that for sure. Meanwhile, Apple's not been friendly with me on the upside because the way the spreads open up. Here, I'll try a trade here. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do 200 shares. You hear me enter. So by the time I get done, I'm only up $10 and I'm up 15.21 the second batch. Okay, so I made, here we go. Okay, I made $27 on that trade. Not a lot. All right, now I'm going to do this Boeing one. You see this Boeing? I like this. I think this will pop to 289.50. So what I'll do on Boeing is I'll pull back right here at 288.76. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll keep an eye on the Dow. Okay. But right here, I got to be careful with this because it looks a little bit of a topping. I might pass on it. I might have to pass on it. See how it pulled? I'm not in it yet, so I may pass on it. Okay, I'm going to pass right now at the moment because looks like we're getting a little bit of a little slow, a little bit, and then we're going to surge again. There goes Apple. Apple's surging into close. Okay, now I feel comfortable with Apple. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's try a little Apple here. 291, 299, 299. See how slow the fills are? Okay. See? A little slow on the fills. It's not moving. Slow down. Yeah, slow down. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bail on it. I'm only down. I'm up actually. I'm green. Hold on. I don't like it. There's 96. I want it to pop, but it's too slow. Yeah, it's too slow for me. I'm gonna go ahead and bail on it for now. I'll revisit it. Only lost 8 cents on that with 100 shares, so it's not a big deal on that one. And we'll let the market pull back a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I only lost 8 cents on that, so that's not a big deal. Went here long and just lost 8, so I can live with $8 on that one. Um, okay, so what we did today, we did Apple, and we called for a pull at open to 275 to 277 area, and then long it to 282 and higher. So we initially wanted to pop at the open to 282, then a sell-off, bottom curl to 277. It just barely hit within that, and then long back to 282 and higher. Apple ended up going all the way to $293. Great trade on that one. The next one we did was Tesla. Tesla was a really nice trader today for a lot of us. What we did today on Tesla is I called for a pop at the open to 720. Now, this was from pre-market down here in the 680s, 690s, and I wanted to pop at the open to 720. I wanted to pull back to 675 area, and it stopped around 685 area, and then bond chrome went right back up. So I was off a little bit, $10 on the downside on it. Because it had hit here several times, I was looking for that 675 world and then bottom chrome long. So today I was a little bit off and could have played it better. Uh-oh, it's getting ready to make another move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scalp trade it right here. Okay, you heard it. Now I'm going to wait for the push. There's up, up. Wait for the spreads to, oh, there's 63s. Okay, a little bit more. Start to move, hold on. Oh, didn't do it. Oh, lost on that one. Lost a buck on that one. Okay, so I'm still going to wait for these setups because they're all over the place. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, look at that. There it goes. Now I can get my money back. Oh, I got it all. Here it comes. Go. Oh, I love it. 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 I'll take it right there. Nice trade. I got 68 cents on that. And you see how it's pushing now? I'll do Tesla one more time right here. Let it pop up. There's another 25, 30, $40, 40, 40, 40. I'll take it right there. Excellent. Excellent. Here comes 729s. Nice fills there. There's the 729s. $50. I'll take it. Excellent. Excellent. Once it goes through 729 on Tesla, it's going to see 730 real fast. And I can sense that. See that? Here it comes. Just have to be real fast on the trigger. And once it pushes that push, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. I mean, $82 on that one. You see it? Just a small move right here. Here comes 730. Here comes 730. Got to be patient now. This is all scalp trading. Here comes the 86, 81s, 66 pulls. Here it comes. So what you want to go right long right there. And then you wait for it. You wait for it. And then it pops. There's the 90s. I'm green. I'm green. I'm green. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Beautiful. Popping. Popping. There it goes. See it? Come on, baby. Get up there. Look at give me 72 fills. Wow. I got 72 fills. Wish I could have got the 97 fills. Oh, there it goes. See, we're just scalping here. Scalping here, right here. Just trying to push to that 7. There it goes. Another 40. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. I'll take it. Once it gets through here, see this build up right here? You pop through that 90 right there. You go to 730 and shoot, and then you go right here to 732. I'll show it to you. That's what I'm kind of waiting for. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Market's kind of surging, so I'm trading as I'm doing. So anyway, we did this one, then we did NVIDIA. NVIDIA was a nice trade today. This one we pulled down to, we wanted to short to 277 in pre-market. Actually, we only wanted just to come down to a gap fill, I believe, of 267. I believe we were asking for on NVIDIA. We wanted to short it to 270, and the stock ended up coming all the way down to 261. So the market really sold off a lot more than we anticipated. But once we had that bottom curl, we were starting to find the bottoms this morning, and we just went long. They've been just really good runners for us. Right? See there's the 729. See how it popped? See that? There's the 730s coming. So you could scalp that right there. See that? There it goes. Boom, boom. Sell it, AJ. Right there, right there. Come on, baby. Get up there. You got it. You got it. Oh, you got it. Come on. Oh, it's right there. You can see how it's trying to hit that 730 area aggressively. Oh, I got a little bit on that one. It gave me a fill right here. Timing. Yeah, I enjoy doing this so much. Very easy stocks to read. I'm a scalp trader in these kind of modes. I wait for the timing. Zoom just went right through 113. Great call in the room by somebody that was offering me this at the 112 spot. Anyway, great call in the room. Uh, Zoom is the conference ones. Uh, Hold on. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. That was beautiful. Hold on. I had 730 right there. Let's try it one more time. Yeah. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. I'll take it. Ooh, that was beautiful. Got that nice pop right there. These are a buck 20 pops. But the darn thing is heading towards 730. See that? And then I think we might get a little bit of a slowdown. The other ones that we did today were APDN. This is a coronavirus one, and this is BIMI. They signed an agreement today. On this one, we called for a short at 6. We did not want to long the stock unless it popped through to 6. Otherwise, to us, it was a short. So we were really looking for a topping of 550 to 560. We wanted the stock to come all the way down to, I believe we were calling $4.25 on BME. BME was our number 2 pick in the room, I believe, for the short sellers. We were calling for a short at 6 to 425. And there it goes. Okay, see now how Tesla's pushing again? Hold on. Hold on. Careful. See how it hit that 732 area? Beautiful. Oh my goodness, I got nailed on that one. That was beautiful. It's really pushing into close. This is what we wanted. 732 again. There's 731. It's really pushing, traders. It's really trying. Really nice on that one. I don't know why they don't just fill right away. Sometimes they just take forever to get their fills on a market order. Okay, and then on this one here, we did that one, and then KPTI. This one we didn't want. We wanted to short the stock at the opening bell. We were looking for a break. We didn't want to long it unless the stock hit through this 25 area. So I'll kind of show you how we set that one up today. On that one, we were looking for. Yeah, hold on. I nailed 100. Come on, baby, push, push. There we go. Solid green on it. On test side. I'm up 50, 60, 70, 70, 70. I'll take it. I got it. It's really pushing into close. Yeah, there's 71, 75s. There's 73s. Beautiful, beautiful. And then on, see how it's surging up now? It's really trying to climb up there. There it goes. There's 31s, 41s. Just got $80 on that one. I'm just playing this as it moves to 734. I mean, it's too obvious. Just adding as it goes and then selling right into the pop. There it goes. Ooh, nice move. 734. Boom. Whew. That was a lot of work. Getting that all the way up there, traders. That was a lot of work. Now Apple's running, so we can trade Apple. Just get a little bit of money on Apple right now. Let's see if we could scalp that. Apple's just not a friendly trader for me until it gets really momentum-wise. Tends to pull back too much on me. But it's trying. I'll add one more right there and then push it. This is kind of what we wanted, traders. A nice surge into close. We were waiting for this today. So stocks are really, really pushing. I don't know how much more. I like the TDD. I like the apples. There we go. Turning green on Apple now. Yep. Here we go. Here comes the Apple trade I'm doing live. I'll show it to you. See this? This is the Apple one. And then Tesla should make another move back to the 734 and break out. Dow's up 1,000, so this is great. Perfect opportunity for us to nail these long. Boeing should move too, so I can make some money on Boeing real quick. Boeing should have a nice close. Let me see here. I'll start small, Boeing into close. Right. Meanwhile, I can go over here and focus on the search on. Here comes Apple. I want to nail that. Yeah, here comes Apple now, surging a little bit, a little bit. Boeing's kind of pushing. I want it just nice surge into close like this. So here comes Apple, pushing, pushing. Okay, I'm going to sell 100 here. Okay. Okay, I got Boeing on green. I'm not in Tesla right now, just playing this. Okay, I'm going to sell this Apple, finish that out. I got Boeing, beautiful, I'm green. 289.74, only 200, but I could sell that right now. Okay. Any swing trades today? No, nothing. You don't want to swing anything overnight. Yeah, trust me. Not tonight. You might wake up tomorrow and the market just really yank. So, we also did DYI. This was a short at $8 this morning. We called for a pop at open to 8, scale in low, short, and we wanted this one to go down to, I believe we were calling for $6 on this one. It's another coronavirus play. And we also did JD. JD, we wanted a long. We did not want to short JD unless it snapped 40.50 hard. And we're going to get a few bucks on it. Otherwise, it was just going to go straight up to 43. We did call for initial pop at the open and then a scale in short. JT held its gains today. It was very strong today, so it ended up going to 44 today. But once it hit 43, we did get an opportunity to short the stock right here. But it was just too strong today. Their earnings were really good, and with the market pulling up 1,000, I think it really had a good day, and it was finally overdue. Kodak, this one we wanted to short the stock today. We called the bottom at Kodak at $14 a share. Kodak at $14. We figured we gap fill back to 14. So we warned everyone to short the stock and take it back down to 14. And there's the 14. You see how it hovered right around the 14 area? So what we ended up doing is The coronavirus plays were CODX, then KPTI. Okay. No, KPTI was a phase 3. I apologize. It was that one, APDN. These were coronavirus plays along with Zoom. Okay. So we felt Zoom would have hit back up to 111, 112, which we were correct. Then we had another semi coronavirus play, and that was DYAI on a test they were doing. So we called that one for short as well. Then we had our go-to stocks, which were Apple, and TDD, and NVIDIA, which have paid very well and handsomely in the room. And of course, my favorite, as always, is Tesla. And it was just a really wonderful day to trade today. Thank you for allowing me to trade during the webinar. I hope you caught a few things. And I will continue trading right into close. The Dow's up almost 1,000, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.